What's up, YouTube? Rob the Shark here, RTS Sports Cards. The following is box one of 3 boxes of 2022 Topps Tier 1 Personals. And you gotta stay tuned because in one of these boxes is a huge hit. I'm gonna give you a little hint. The guy's name rhymes with Banter Bronco, and it might be an autograph, and it might be 25 or lower. So you have to stay tuned because one of these videos is going to contain that massive hit. Stay tuned and be sure and subscribe to RTS Sports Cards. James, here we go. Did not bring scissors, so I'm going to have to do this old school. There we go. Best of luck, James. Hopefully get a big hit for you. 2022 Topps Tier 1. One pack per box, and here we go. Should be 2 autos and a relic card. Pretty impressive checklist. I did look it up online. Does not want the seam to open. Really wish I had scissors on me, but there we go. We finally got it open. And here we go. Topps Tier 1. First card. Derek Lee.
Ground ball, first base, picked by Derek Lee. Sensational play, steps on the bag, and the game is over.
Florida Marlins at that time, now the Miami Marlins. That is 34 out of 399 on the Derek Lee game used patch. Pretty cool. Derek Lee to 399. Looks like we got 2 patches. I thought it was supposed to be, let's see. It says 2 autographed cards and 1 relic card. 2 autographed cards and 1 relic card. So why is there 2 relic cards here? It doesn't make sense. DJ LeMahieu with a Yankee pinstripe. That is to 399. Did we get an extra card? I guess so. Looks like we got 2 autos instead of 1. That's, well, we got an extra relic. That's what happened. So we got Jake McCarthy to 299, Arizona Diamondbacks rookie. And we've got Max Muncy, Tier 1 talent to 299.
Muncy flies one in the air to left center. Back at the wall, and it's gone! It's over!
On the Max Muncy on-card autograph. Pretty cool. So there you have it. We did get an extra relic. So we got the 2 autos, Max Muncy to 299, Jake McCarthy to 299, DJ LeMahieu to 399. And an extra relic, Derek Lee to 399. There you go, James. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure and hit the thumbs up button if you got any entertainment out of this at all. And be sure and subscribe to RTS Sports Cards. Also have RTS Sports Cards on Instagram. RTS Sports Cards, all one word, eBay. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.
There's nothing you got that I can't counter. Your karate's a joke.
Let him up, punk.
Who, you, his mother?
Maybe.
Hey, I want to say hi to Rob and RTS Sports Card Breakers. All right, Rob, the Shark, here you go, bud. There it is, bad boy Mike Barnes, just like in the back of Terry Silver's Rolls Royce. It says, Rob, your karate's a joke.
Your karate's a joke.